Chapter 5 Incredible Oil. Sneakers, plastic toys, plastic shopping bags, and lots of other things are made from chemicals that come from oil. How are they made? And where does oil come from? Oil and natural gas. Oil is made from tiny plants and animals that lived in the seas and oceans millions of years ago. After they died, the sand above them slowly became rock. The rock and heat under the ground changed them into a black liquid called oil and a gas called natural gas.
Discover!
It takes millions of years to make oil, but we are using it very fast. In 100 years, there won't be any oil if we don't use it more slowly. We can't use oil from the ground because it's a mixture of different chemicals. At an oil refinery, people heat oil until the different chemicals in the oil become a gas. These chemicals become liquids again at different temperatures, so people can collect different chemicals when the gas cools. Then people can use them. People use some chemicals from oil to burn as fuels, like gasoline for cars. Other chemicals are made into new chemicals called petrochemicals. We use petrochemicals to make lots of different products. For example, petrochemical fertilizers help plants to grow. Petrochemical detergents clean things, and cosmetics make your skin look nice. We use a lot of oil when we make these things. Plastics. Plastics are materials that people make from chemicals. Most plastics are made from petrochemicals from oil. Some plastic objects are hard, but others are soft. Some plastics are fibers or liquids. People use plastics to make lots of different products. We can put hot liquid plastics into a mold. The plastic cools and becomes an object with the same shape as the mold. This is how we make toys and plastic bottles. Plastic shopping bags are made from a plastic called polythene. People throw away a lot of polythene waste. That's bad because scientists think it could take hundreds of years for polythene to decompose. Nylon. Nylon is a soft plastic. It was invented in 1935. We can put nylon into molds to make sneakers. We make fibers out of nylon too. People weave them with cotton or wool to make different types of clothes. Nylon fibers are very strong, so we use nylon to make parachutes. Acrylic. People use a type of plastic called acrylic to make paints. When acrylic paints are wet, you can mix them with water. When they're dry, they become waterproof. We use acrylic for lots of other things, like the windows in planes and the fur on teddy bears.